Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Forever C+. This advanced supplement is specifically designed to boost your daily vitamin C intake, actively supporting your body's natural defenses and overall vitality. It thoughtfully combines essential vitamin C with beneficial natural ingredients like amla fruit and hesperidin. This unique blend works synergistically for enhanced wellness, ensuring you get the most from each tablet. Forever C Plus offers several key health advantages for your body. It functions as a strong antioxidant, diligently helping to protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Additionally, this powerful supplement plays a vital role in strengthening your immune system, making you more resilient. It also significantly contributes to maintaining healthy, radiant skin and robust connective tissues throughout your body. For optimal results and to maximize the benefits, adults should take 1 tablet of Forever C Plus daily. It is incredibly important not to exceed this recommended dosage to ensure safe and effective use, as more is not always better. If you are pregnant, lactating, or currently on any medication, please consult your medical practitioner before starting this or any new supplement. When using Forever C Plus, remember to store the tablets properly in a cool, dry place, safely out of the reach of children. It's crucial to understand that this product is a health supplement, primarily intended to support your general wellness. It is not meant to diagnose, prevent, treat, or cure any specific disease, so always manage expectations accordingly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.